Candor review. In today's review, I am going to be reviewing an info course that reveals a proven under the radar method top marketers are using today to make hundreds of dollars per day. Actually, this is a two-part info course. Part number one is it will be teaching you about how to make money through Microsoft Ads. And part number two is it will be teaching you a secret of what top marketers again are using, that is launch jacking. So part one is a paid traffic method and part two is a free traffic method. The part one is called as the golden method, what the vendor calls it, or the product creator. And part two is launch jacking, like what I'm doing here basically is a launch jacking method. So but it tells you everything how to do this particular thing step by step. So it's a very powerful two-part info course. So make sure that you stay till the end of this video review, and I'm going to be telling you about the upsells, the OTOs, and exactly I'll be showing you into the members area and what is going to be offered, so that you can make an informed decision on what you're buying and what is right for you. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Prakash, and I am a digital affiliate marketer, and I make review videos like this from time to time. So make sure you hit the notification bell and below, and along with the subscription, so that you get notified whenever I make courses, video reviews, or I also launch a lot of these type of videos from time to time, and a lot of information is there. So if you can subscribe to my channel, you'll be on the list of the subscribers. And at any time during this review, if you want to just pick up this product, or you just want to have a look at the actual product itself, you just have to click the link in the description below, and you can grab the product from my bonus page, which will take you to my members area, and there you can grab the product. In a nutshell, Candor is an info course that will reveal you all the methods top affiliates marketers use to make hundreds of dollars every day, and you will also be getting access to a secret traffic source, and you can use to get traffic to your offer. So this is in brief. Candor is definitely newbie friendly, and it doesn't require any tech skill or marketing experience. Any person who's new to the field of affiliate marketing can make money using this Candor, because it teaches you two very good courses, very good sources of traffic. And if this sounds like something you're interested in, you just click the link in the description below. The link will bring you through to my bonus page, which looks something like this. All you have to do is click on this pink button here, and this will take you to the sales page, and you can just pick up this particular offer. You can just click on this button and you can just pick up this Candor info course for just 12.95 US, and this will be live as of the 17th of January, 9 a.m. Eastern. So if I don't want to miss out on the bonuses, because I have spent a long time putting these bonuses together for you, and to so that you can get the best out of Candor. So now just let us look at the demo video before I proceed any further.
Have you been trying to make your first $100 a day? Trust me, you've been doing it the absolute wrong way. Give me the next few seconds and I'll show you how to start doing it the right way from today, so you can start getting guaranteed income online every single month from the comfort of your home without trading your time for money. It's not your fault that you've been doing it the wrong way all this while. It's the fault of the information overload flowing all around the internet. Just like you and many others, I did every single thing to make money online. I did freelancing, I ran an agency. I did drop shipping and e-commerce. If you can think about it, I have done it. I bought product after product thinking they will be the next best thing. The problem is this: a lot of these gurus always tell you to buy this viral income push button software. But when there's a promotion, what they do is they just send a single email with a push of a button and dollar will start flowing on their table. Alright? I got sick and tired of all this. All I ever wanted was to make $100 a day, $200 a day, so that I can provide a good life for my family. So I started a quest to break this money drought. That is how I discovered the Candor method. Candor is a brand new bulletproof method that will show you how to generate your first $100 a day and scale it even higher by reverse engineering what the gurus are doing and beat them at their own game, so you can become a guru yourself overnight. Candor is a proven under the radar method that top marketers are using today to make hundreds and hundreds of dollars but do not want to reveal to you. Okay? Now is your time to unlock these secrets. Okay? All I need you to do is to click on the button down in this video. Okay? I didn't want to release this to the public, as a few big names in the industry who know this secret method will not be happy with me for revealing it as we speak. I initially planned to use this method alone without telling anyone about it. That's because I know this method will work for anyone who uses it, and you can easily use it to multiply your result and even 10x it starting today. So for a limited time, I've decided to open this up to the public for a tiny fraction of what you should be paying for the access. All you need to do is to click the button below before the countdown timer expires to get instant access, and I will see you in the members area. Click the button now and get access. Take care.
So that was the demo video, and let's now have a quick look at the bonuses what I put in for you. Bonus number one is I will be giving you done for you. Okay, done for you campaigns called as Atomic DFI. This is an amazing software that provides 50 assets and tons of traffic and monetization. You will get access to 100% done for you campaigns that you can paste your link and monetize to earn affiliate commissions on a daily basis. So basically what will happen is you have got the way to get traffic in the from this course, Candor course. You'll be getting two ways of getting traffic, and you can run this traffic into these particular campaigns and you can make money straight. So bonus number two is build your own landing page for cheap. So actually in Candor there is a method of how to make your build your own landing page, but here it is I'm providing you a cheap method of how to build your own landing page. So this is bonus number two, and bonus number three is grow your Facebook following fast. Facebook is another amazing source of traffic. Inside this bonus you will learn how to build your Facebook following fast, so that you can have traffic at your fingertips, and all you have to do is post the offers, and the chances of making a sale increases drastically. So just have to paste these links in your Facebook pages, and you can make money through Facebook also. So, and bonus number four is you will be getting access to Equinox. So this is basically this is a software where you will be finding out YouTube videos, expired domains in YouTube videos, and you can buy up that particular web page. You can just buy up that, and you can post your link there so that you can get traffic to this particular this particular link. So this is a very good form of getting traffic. I have used this and it's very useful, and I have made some money using this particular method. So this is your your bonus number 4. And bonus number 5 is I give you access to all the vendor bonuses. The bonuses the vendor has given me to give it to you, and you will be getting access to 5 vendor bonuses. So you will be getting all the vendor bonuses along with my bonuses absolutely free of cost. Even though you pick up the front end of this particular candor, which costs you around 12.95 US dollars. To get all these bonuses, what you have to do is just click on this pink button below. This will take you to the sales page, which looks something like this. You just have to click on this particular page, and it will take you through Warrior Plus. And in Warrior Plus, you will after you come to this Warrior Plus page, you will be having this username on the right hand top corner. Just click that link. Just click on this username, and there'll be a drop down menu. Click on purchase history, and click on Candor, and it'll take you to the receipt page like this. And here on the receipt page, you find a green button which says access your purchase. If you press the green button, you're going to get access to your purchase, and down below is a blue button which says access affiliate bonus. Just press on this button and you're going to get access to all the bonuses. So this will bring you and this will bring you get you all the bonuses, and that's how you get the bonuses. So, and now let us have a quick look at the sales page before I go into the OTOs and explain you the OTOs. So this is proven under the Ratal method top marketers are using to make hundreds of dollars per day. I don't want to reveal to you, but don't want to reveal to you. So this is the basic this one, and this is where you get instant access. And here there are a lot of testimonials on this particular page. And Wazim Steven, affiliate marketer, Will Stevens, all these are 7-figure marketers, and you have a lot of testimonials here. And below is you have got he is Mr. Ugono, who is the vendor of this particular product. And there's also a money back guarantee, a 30-day money back guarantee here for you. So it is a fantastic method, guys. If you're really interested in this, you can really pick up. And now just let me go into the OTOs and explain what OTOs and the upsells are here for you. As I told you, the upsell is going to cost you, the front end is going to cost you around 12.95 US. And upsell number 1 is done for you campaign plus advanced training is going to cost you $37, and there's a downsell at $27. And upsell number 2 is done for you profit blaster, which costs you 37 US, and there's a downsell at 27 US. And reseller rights at $77, you're going to get it at $47. And upsell traffic, so this is a traffic source, we'll be getting it at a price of 97, downsell. So basically the key benefits what you'll be getting is take the pain out of a little making money online. You can be up and running in as little as 30 minutes. Candor is simple, repeatable, and easy to scale. Candor takes the riddle out of money making, saves you time, increases sales, easy to follow. So this is about the OTOs, what you'll be getting. So I don't take much of your time. You can just have a look at the bonus area and this the sales page, and you can have a look at it at your own time. So let me just go into the members area and show you what is up in the members area. So this is how the members area looks like, and here you got here the golden traffic source, the overview of Candor. Here you got a golden traffic source here which tells you why you're not winning. Golden traffic source, choose offer like a ninja neuro linguistic programming landing page, picking your automation enabler, exposing the gold, so understanding your matches. So all these firing your bag of gold, conclusion, next step. This is basically he's telling you how to make money through Microsoft ads. And bonus number 2 is the guru traffic hijack method, which is about launch jacking. Here again a lot of how to overview of hijack the guru's traffic. So getting ready for the battle, stack up your arsenal. So this is about the traffic. One more method of getting traffic. Conclusion in the next step and the bonuses. And here you also got some unknown bonuses. So this is in short, and you also got a Facebook group to join. So this is in short about this particular product, Candor. And if you're watching this video, there is a 50% chance that you have not subscribed to my channel, and you can do it 100%. It is your will. You just have to press the subscribe button and kindly subscribe to this button. And no and until my next video, thank you and goodbye.